Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to receive Amazon seller payments into Bluevine. If you sell on Amazon, you can route your payout straight into your Bluevine account. Here's how to set it up. First step, log into your Amazon Seller Central accounts. Then go to Settings, Account Info, and Deposit Methods. Now select Add a Bank Account. And go ahead and enter your Bluevine routing and account numbers, which you can find in your Bluevine dashboard under account information. Now, choose Bluevine as your default deposit account for all marketplace that you sell in. Save the changes and then wait for Amazon to verify the account. They may send a small test deposit first. Once verified, all future Amazon payouts will automatically be deposited into your Bluevine business checking account. You can track deposits in your Bluevine transaction history and export data for bookkeeping or tax prep. This integration makes managing e-commerce earnings simple and centralized. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.